a lone Parasaurolophus. He doesn't see it yet, but his day is about to get a lot worse. Somewhere behind him, a Gorgosaurus is already closing in. But this harmless herbivore has a few tricks up his sleeve. At the last second, Parasaurolophus turns and unleashes a massive kick, catching the attacker hard enough to stop the hunt cold. Now both dinosaurs stand wounded, shaken, and breathing hard. Sometimes the risk is greater than the reward, a nature's stalemate.